Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2017 Honda Rebel 300 Cruiser. This lightweight just showed up with only 2,499 miles. Beautiful matte black finish, really cool little cowl on the front. Super low mileage on this single cylinder 300. Fuel injected, liquid cooled, lightweight cruiser. Come on by, make your Rebel dreams come true for just $39.99. This one's not going to be here long. We have finance and we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.